on a Honda CR-V 2015. Got my mom's Honda CR-V, and it's 2015, front wheel drive, and it has about 72,000 miles, and I think it's about time to change the transmission fluid, so let's get it started. So what you're gonna need is first transmission fluid. Always just buy it from the manufacturer, the dealer. Bought it from Honda by me, it's like 10 minutes away. You're gonna need funnel with kind of a hose like this, or you can get some kind of a hose and just plug it up to a funnel. And I'll show you later where it goes. And you're gonna need a catch pan. You're gonna need as well just a 3/8 ratchet, just to take the drain plug off from the transmission. And always make sure you get this washer from the dealership to change it from your drain plug. So to find the capacity, you go to fluids over here, and you go down to transmission fluid. And if you have the all-wheel drive, it's gonna be the 4.5 US quarts, and if it's gonna be the front wheel drive, two-wheel drive, it's gonna be 3.9 quarts. That's on page 140 of the manual book. It says specifications. So on the 2015 version, these cars do not have a transmission stick, but it does have a transmission plug where you can fill your oil from, and it tells you as well what kind of transmission fluid you should put. So this is your transmission drain plug right here. The engine drain plug is, I believe, somewhere over there. I think right here. Yep, it says engine oil. And it's kind of to the left side of the car when you're looking at it this way against the car, but the drain plug of the transmission is on the driver's side front. So you get your 3/8 ratchet, break this thing loose. And it was pretty toast, to be honest. It was definitely time. Magnet, and it takes all the sludge or whatever kind of metalish material, takes it and kind of just keeps it on here so it doesn't go all over the transmission. Make sure you always wipe it down before you put it on. I actually got a fifth quart. I'm just gonna drain it through the transmission, and 1 quart through. The drain plug is still out, and just flush it through. Clean fluid is coming out. Just make sure it's being flushed, and wait until this is drained all the way, and then plug it up. After it's done draining, get your drain plug and just tying it. It's supposed to be torqued, I think, at 36 foot-pounds of torque, but I don't have a torque bar, so I'm just gonna make sure it's on there with the ratchet. Put the 4 quarts of these, except just make sure the last one you leave about 100 milliliters. Always make sure nothing is being loose over there. Looks all good. Alright, so it's exactly at 100 milliliters. The last bottle of yours, that should be good. So after you tie in the drain plug and put all your fluid in, you're gonna come back to the vehicle, start it up, let it idle for a little bit. Then you're gonna put it on each gear.
She hit me like that. Saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my heart. Oh, full force and she got me like that. I be like, baby, why you so fine? Gotta make you mine. So hard to find.
So you've done everything, changed the fluid, tightened the drain plug, went through all the gears and everything. Now you have to go on a test drive and make sure everything is good, shifting all the gears, and yeah, let's go on a test drive.
Like, girl, you so fine. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Girl, you rockin' like, baby, so fine. Miss Baby, girl, you knockin' dead.
Make sure it's shifting pretty good.
She was so sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in the hills or her slides. Either way, eyes on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear. All that confidence, was it heaven sent?
Alright guys, thank you for watching. I did this video because I tried finding some videos about this, but I couldn't find any, so I said I'm gonna do it and share it to you guys. Good luck everybody, and have a great day.